This is episode 31 out of 122 Smart Money Challenge to Blockchain Freedom. Yes. So, episode 31. So, for new people on my YouTube channel, I always love to come down to CoinMarketCap because here you can see the top cryptocurrencies, okay? And you can see there the top 10, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Tether is a stable coin, so it stays at $1. We've got XRP, BNB, Solana. USDC is also a stable coin. It stays at $1. So if I send you $1,000, you get $1,000. Doesn't fluctuate. Okay, it's volatility. So I'm going to show you a bit of an agenda what I'm going to go through today. So let me bring up this little PDF. So I'm actually preparing for a workshop. Yes, it's called Mindset Milestones Modern Money, a beginner's guide to cryptocurrency. So for new people, this is a great place to start, right? So I like these words on mindset and focus. So we look at aligned focus is essential for starting any project or interest, right? And then there's something called TBQ. I love this. Think bigger, quicker. Develop the right attitude for success. And then the new age mindset. Crypto and blockchain are reshaping money. It's booming right now. Be ready to embrace the journey. Today is the 4th of October 2025. And I can tell you the next 5 years is going to be hell of a ride if you take advantage. So there's another good things here. Leverage AI technology. Right. Everybody's hearing about technology, AI technology. How can you leverage it and make money? I'm going to show you. And then there's 3 words here that are very, very powerful. Accumulate, number 1. Accelerate. How can you accumulate more? And then automate. How can you automate that? This is really cool stuff. So collect crypto assets. I've got a token that I'm going to promote called APTM token. Okay, put it in your high risk profile, right? In your portfolio, high risk portfolio. And also, how can you grow your holdings? How can you grow your crypto? We can grow it through crypto trading bots, right? On automatic, it buys low, sells high on automatic. You don't have to trade it. The AI bot does it for you. And how about also being able to mine a token, the APTM token that I want to show you. And then there's some smart investment strategies that is dollar cost averaging, DCA. Dollar cost averaging is massive, right? It's a proven long-term strategy, 3 to 5 years. And choose 2 of the top 10 coins. I'm going to show you now. And then also choose the APTM coin. And then invest regular. Monthly, you can on Revolut, you can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum on recurring purchases and leave it for 2 to 5 years, right? That's what dollar cost averaging is. And the same for the coin that I'm promoting, the APTM coin, the APTM coin. Discipline is key, right? Yes. And then you get something like central exchanges. So when you want to buy crypto, you can buy from, I've put them in there. You can buy Revolut is a bank, and you can buy crypto. It's regulated. Nexo is another platform where you can actually buy crypto very easy. And then Kraken, you can also buy crypto very, very easy. And then you've got something called a decentralized exchange where you got a bit more control, right? You got your own wallet, you got access to your own wallet, but then you have to be a bit more grown up because there's no support, right? You have access though to your funds 24/7, okay? And you can't make any mistakes, right? If you lose like your password or your seed phrase for your wallet, you're in trouble. So for decentralized exchanges, there is advantages as well for some things called liquidity pools where you can get good interest rates. Okay, so let's go and have a look at some of these points here. So let's go and have a look at accumulate, accelerate, and automate. So yeah, we got the top 10 coins. So you could look at Bitcoin, for instance, and we're almost back to the all-time high. I think the all-time high was about $124,000. So we're almost back to the all-time high. And it's quite fun when you actually look at Bitcoin, because you can actually look at the all-time graph and you can actually see like what the price was like 1 year ago. Can you believe it? The price 1 year ago, if I go 1 year, so that's 1 year, right? Let's go, just going to get to 1 year. So that's about 1 year ago. Yeah. 60,000. And now it's double, right? Just shows you. What happens if you dollar cost averaged into Bitcoin? Meaning you bought a little bit every month over 5 years. That's would have been fantastic. And the thing is, you could have dollar cost averaged into any of the top 10 coins. You could have dollar cost averaged into Ethereum, right? And then the coin that I'm promoting is the APTM token. I mean, sitting at, what is it sitting at? $101. Sorry, $1.18 at the moment. Now, this is the project I'm promoting, right? So how cool would it be if you go look at our products? And if you want to join this project, very easy. Just look in the description and you'll get links there and you can join this project and grab one of these products. They start at $100 and go up to $10,000. But the cool thing is about these products, you get two in one. You get a smart trading bot, crypto trading bot, that all it's doing is it's buying these APTM coins low and selling high and accumulating you more coins. Why do you want to accumulate APTM tokens? Well, where's this price going to be in 5 years? $10, $50, $100? I can't give any guarantees, but there's huge potential. Do you see where I'm coming from? So grab one of these products, then it can trade for you on automatic. You don't have to be by your computer. Does it by AI technology, and then you can get something called a smart mining bot that mines the token as well. So you've got two things working on your benefit and accumulating these coins for you. Also, obviously, we got something which I mentioned, the liquidity pool, that you can go into the DEX. This is decentralized. This is where you can actually put capital in like a community, and you can benefit from the interest rates that are quite high. Today, it's weekend. It's a Sunday, sitting at 20% per annum. Okay. But I've seen it as high as 100, and I've seen it as low as 10. So you can average out about 30% per annum. But remember, this is like three things you're doing, right? Because you are accumulating the coin from the crypto trading bot, you're accumulating the APTM coin from the mining, and you can also put some in the liquidity pool. Okay, and also, of course, you can buy the coin directly. I mean, all you would do is you do a swap, right? You can come here, you can go swap, and you can swap it for USDT, and then you can swap it for the APTM token. So that's how easy it is to accumulate it that way as well. So very, very powerful. So let's go back to the PDF here and see if I've covered everything. So accumulate by using our tools, crypto trading bot, crypto mining bot, and then also liquidity pools, and also buying directly off the market. I call it the cappuccino effect. Okay. And then dollar cost averaging, right? Because these automated tools are also helping you to dollar cost average, where you automate it with the AI technology. So dollar cost averaging, yes, because you're going to do that anyway with your AI bots. And you can also do it manually, like you just buy off the market. And imagine how powerful this is if you just did this over and over and over for 5 years and accumulated as much of these APTM tokens as possible. I mean, the growth could be absolutely phenomenal. So I'm excited about this project. If you want to learn more, you can come down here and you can read here. APTM is the leading general one-layer blockchain in the Avalanche ecosystem. You can see that the APTM officially launched in February 19, 2025. So super, super young. So get involved, join with the links below, get a hold of me. I can help you. Have a wonderful day. And we'll be on episode 30, I believe 32, Smart Money tomorrow. Thank you and bye-bye.